What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're finally going to put on the cams. We got the 264 cams, Powerhouse Racing cam gears, a couple other goodies right here, water pump, oil pump, gates, timing belt, a couple other good things right there I'll show you later. So I also repainted this, so yeah, so let's get started. All right, so we're gonna lube it up with this stuff right here. That's a lip proof.
Gotta be super careful. Don't get banged up.
There we go.
So yeah, then just put some on there on each one, and then we're ready to throw the caps on. Very important we tighten the caps like in a sequence, like evenly.
Yeah.
Because if you tighten one down too much, it can crack the cam or it can crack the cap. Third one in, 6, 7, 8.
But we're gonna, if you guys can see, 14 foot-pounds. I'm gonna torque them now.
Keep it alive for you that way. Please. You can,
So once I torque them, go back, check them.
yeah.
Super light. That's 8,000. It went straight in.
Went in, no problem. It said 8 to 10, right?
Yeah. Oh, so we're good.
So 10's tight.
And 8's too loose, so that
Yeah.
should be good. So it should be a 9, right?
Yeah, it's about a 9.
Hey, answer.
We'd have to go bigger.
That's one right there.
So with 8. It's a little on the snug side, but I think you're fine. It's gonna break in a little bit.
Okay.
I'll let an 8.
All right,
All
we're
good.
good.
Well, that's relieving that we don't have to mess with any of those.
All right, guys, so we got this all cleaned up, ready for the next step. We got to put our O-rings. Make sure you do not forget to put your O-rings in. So we're gonna put the water pump, oil pump. We're gonna put the cam gears on. Timing belt, we also have a little treat for you from Rad Industries, which is gonna be the timing belt tensioner. I'll show that to you right now. All right, guys, so here is our first Rad part from Rad Industries. That's gonna be going on to this JZ. Let's check this out. Pretty nice. If you can't see it, it says Rad Industries in there. Just a little nice touch. And bam, look at that thing. Super, super, super nice. So, you know, might as well upgrade, right? If I'm in here, like it's all apart, might as well just do this. Look at that. So yeah, let's get this thing on. Also, link in the description for this thing, okay? I'll put the link in the description if you guys want one. So the next piece, what we're gonna look at is from Powerhouse Racing. This is the cam gear that was supplied by Sideways Performance. Look at that. Wow, Powerhouse Racing makes some really, really, really nice stuff. And I went and got the black bolt and the black washer. All right, this one is really nice. I know I said that already for all of them, but hey, you know, you're gonna build your JZ, might as well build it with nice parts. Overbuild it, that's my motto. And yeah, did not need this part, but this is from Powerhouse Racing. There we go. This is the one-piece billet timing belt gear. This thing is amazing. Right here, let's drop that. Wow, look at that billet piece. This thing is, I mean, the only thing that sucks is it's gonna go right here, you know, in there, and you're not gonna see it, so. But look at that. Now I know Drift Motion sells one that's not billet, but it's basically, I believe he makes it a one piece, and they just weld this part right here. But, you know, I just went extra because sometimes I'm a little extra. So here we go with the Gates timing belt. I'm gonna have a clear cover up on top, so it'll be nice to see a little bit of color. So that's really why I bought it. Plus too, I think Rad Dan runs this, so I want to be rad. But yeah, this again, Sideways Performance. You know, I'm ordering all my parts through him because again, he is the build sponsor. You know, just to let you know, nothing is free. I'm not getting all these parts for free, but I'm getting an amazing deal with them. So that's basically how this is working. So if everything was free, I would have been done with this project already. But hey, little by little, if you can, get the good parts. That's just my opinion.
So I like to just fill the back of this a little bit with normally Vaseline, but this assembly lube will work. Just pack this in a little bit. It helps keep the spring from popping out when you tap it in. Tapping the seal in. Just kind of pack it and then lube it up. Yep.
Like that?
Yep. So I like to try to do is get them in there. Once you get it to that point, yeah, try to get it just started by hand. There you go.
Oh yeah. Now, could you push these a little bit too far or no?
Yeah, you want to pretty much get it flush with the head. Bad boy in here. While it's off of the cards, I think it's going to be easier. So I learned the hard way that these press in just with your thumbs. And if you push them in too far, they leak. Okay, it's already starting to worry me, so I'm going to pull back out. This one's for here.
Yeah, seems like it.
What we're probably going to do though is, I mean, it fits perfect, so we'll run that one there. This is the oil feed, and that's the oil pickup. So this O-ring has a crap ton of pressure that pushes everything into the blocks from the oil pump, and then this is the suction from the pan. So definitely important.
Go. All right, we're gonna do this at 15 foot-pounds. So if you guys watch this video and it's wrong, let me know. So first thing first is O-ring. Do not forget it.
Another O-ring. So they fit kind of fat. You have to kind of like tuck them in there. I think they do that because once they get hot, they start to shrink like over time.
Yeah, you gotta kind of squeeze it in there. Okay, it's in now.
Nice and flat.
15 foot-pounds again.
That one's 15 too?
I believe, yeah, that's what I found. So here's the original one that came off this engine, but not this head though, not the NA head, but they're the same. So this is much heavier than this one that I showed you guys earlier. There. All right. With it, yeah. So I could have just used the stock bolt. I think the stock bolt's right there somewhere. But if I'm gonna be paying for these, I might as well go pay a little extra for these nice bolts right here. So you can't have these really nice cam gears and use this bolt. I mean, I guess you could, but it's like,
Why?
yeah, why? Yeah, unless you like get these powder coated.
Just clean them really, really well.
Clean them and maybe paint them, but these are much better. They weren't that much more either. I don't think. Can't remember, but they weren't that much more. So time to torque them.
Once and done.
Yeah, exactly. Oh yeah, we're getting there.
Just keep going.
There it is. All right, so we did a little boo-boo. I bet you guys were already saying, where's this plate at? So we had to take these off again, put the backing plate on. It looks really nice. We re-Loctite it. So now we're just gonna put these on top dead center, and then this next.
Yep, do the crank.
And then put the crank in top dead center.
And put the jewelry on.
Put it, so we're almost done. And then timing belt.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes, look at the difference. So back to back.
Tell how much thicker this is.
Yeah.
And around the pin is a lot thicker
so
too.
right
like
here it's thinner, and on here it's a lot thicker. Even the front part, like here, see in here it's a lot thinner. It's thicker there. All right, make sure you Loctite it. I found on the forums that you torque that to 19 foot-pounds, but Rad Dan said 26, so guess who we're gonna go with? Rad Dan. That's his part, so we're gonna go 26 foot-pounds. Alright, so now we're gonna put this thing on. It's super nice.
Billet, right?
Yeah, Billet. So since you guys know I wasn't pounding it, I was just barely hitting it, and it was going in. It's super small, huh? It's like right there.
Yep, right on. Maybe turn this one back a little bit. A little bit back, so we'll just put it right on the line. We're gonna do the turn it back a tooth trick.
There you go.
Let's see if it lines up.
Yeah, because there's no tension.
Yeah. Well, you don't have to fight it. You let this do the work. You know what I mean? Instead of trying to fight it.
All right. So what are we doing here?
So we're just gonna verify top dead center by putting something small down into the spark plug hole and watch our marks.
So yep, it went down. Perfect.
That's what we're looking for. Yeah, so it's coming up. Feels good so far.
Yep, just went up, and these are pointing down. So
Yep, so they're
perfect.
180.
Yeah.
These are dead lined up still. This mark's dead on. That's when I say we're good to go.
And this is all the way up. All right, guys, so the IS started ticking again. It keeps going on and off. We went earlier today, and it didn't tick. Ready?
Okay, rev it up to like 3,000.
Nothing.
Sounds really quiet.
So we're gonna have to pinpoint that. Most likely, we're gonna buy a new engine. Stay tuned, okay, guys? So there's gonna be more on that IS. So if you guys can, please give me a like, please subscribe, and comment, please. Peace out.